Today we're making the ultimate Japanese comfort food, sukiyaki. It's sweet, savory, and perfect for a cozy night. We're cleaning these shirataki noodles. They're amazing for absorbing all the sauce and giving them a quick trim. Then we'll slice up some firm tofu and carrots. We've got our shirataki and thick udon noodles, the tofu, carrots, earthy shiitake mushrooms, and some fresh bok choy. Now we pour in our sukiyaki sauce into the donabe and let it simmer. The most important step, a fresh egg dip. It creates this silky, creamy coating that balances the salty, sweet sauce perfectly. Thank you, and I hope you enjoy.